As part of our customer service and support for the industry, we've launched a series of informative videos aimed at nothing but providing top tips to help fleet operators get the very best out of their equipment. These videos include keeping operators and drivers up to date with emerging technology.
While the trailer is no longer receiving an air supply from the tractor unit, it's absolutely impossible to turn the parking brake off. Let me show you. Just won't do it.
Maximising fuel efficiency and reducing environmental impact.
We estimate for every roll-on you get, for every time that you avoid stopping, that you'll save somewhere in the region of around about 1/3 of a litre of diesel. So if you do 10 stop avoidances, 10 roll-ons every day, that's roughly 3 litres of fuel that you've saved. You save 3 litres of fuel every day for a year. That's a lot of fuel.
How to contribute towards personal and road safety.
And just allow this heavier truck at the side of me to come by me a little bit quicker. And what that does is it gives me that bubble of safety space back a little bit quicker should everything go wrong and we need somewhere to run.
Driver wellbeing.
I've got cruise control on now, and basically I can control the speed of the vehicle with my thumb.
And effective vehicle maintenance.
On modern trucks we often forget the advanced emergency braking panel. Just check it for damage and general cleanliness. All it needs is a quick wipe, especially in the winter.
All of these are easily accessible on our YouTube channel and can be used remotely when personal training isn't possible.